this video, I'll walk you through how to use the Roblox support ticket system. This system is really helpful if you're having trouble with your account or anything else on Roblox. So first, scroll to the very bottom of the Roblox website, and in the footer section, you'll see a bunch of different options. Now click on Help. This will take you to the Roblox help page, which has lots of articles and guides that might help you solve the issue without needing to contact support. For example, if you forgot your password, Roblox might already have a step-by-step guide to help you out. But if you still can't solve the problem, go ahead and click Contact Support. This opens up the ticket system where you'll fill out some information. Then you'll need to enter your email address. This is how Roblox will contact you about your problem. Next, choose the issue details and describe what's going on in the box provided. When you're done, click Continue to submit your ticket. Roblox will send you an automated email to confirm they got your request. And after that, you'll need to wait for a personal response from the support team, which can take a little while depending on the situation. So that's how you are going to use the Roblox support ticket system.